Assalamualaikum dear students. Don't worry, in this video we are not going to study but we will play a quiz. So let's begin with the first question, and let me inform you that according to question you will get the time. So to solve these three questions you will be having only 3 seconds to answer the question. First one, an algebraic expression that contains only one term is called. Your time starts now. 3, 2, time up. What's the answer? Yes, the correct answer is monomial because one term. Similarly, next one, 5x plus 6y is a monomial, binomial, trinomial, none of the above. And your time starts now. 3, 2, 1. Yes, what's the correct answer? B, binomial. And I know the third one you will give correct answer only. So I am keeping for you. Moving with the next one. A polynomial contains blank number of terms, 1, 2, 3 or any. Your time starts now. You will be having 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, time up. Yes, what's the correct answer? The correct answer is the any, because polynomial they have said, so it can be monomial also, bi also, tri also. Is that clear? Next, in which of the following the two expressions are like terms? 7x and 7y, 7x and 9x, 7x and 7x square. This is x square, okay? Don't get confused. This is 7x square, okay? Then 7x and 7x. So which one is the like term? Here there are two answers. Can you give me that two answers? Yes. Okay, correct. 7x and 7x, these are also like terms. 7x and 9x, these are also like term, though the numbers are different. Now sixth one I am keeping for you. Let's move with the next one. If we multiply 5x and minus 4xyz, then we get. Let me clear you first. This is x square, okay? In this way also you can write x square, x raised to 5, x raised to 3, likewise. So your time starts now. You will be having 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, time up. Can you tell me the correct answer? Yes, the correct answer is A, right? No? Okay. Then the correct answer is B, because 5 4s are 20 and 4 is negative. That's why minus 20x square yz. Okay, I hope you got the correct answer. Moving with next. The product of 4x and 0 is. You are having only 3 seconds to give answer. 3, 2, time up. What's the answer? Yes, correct, 0, because if you will multiply any number by 0, your answer will be 0. Then, which of the following number is divisible by 6? This I am keeping for you. You will tell me in comment section that you got the correct or not. Moving with next. What is 1004 divided by 2? If you will divide 1004 by 2, what will you get? Your time starts now. You are having only 10 seconds. 10. Do calculation in your mind. 8, 5, 4, 3, 2, time up. What's the correct answer? Tell me in comment section. Next, which of the following numbers gives 240 when 15 is add it to its own square. Try it and tell me the answer. You are having 10 seconds. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, time up. Did you get the answer? Okay. Then what's the answer? 15. Do the square of 15. 15 square is 225. If you will add 15 to it, you will get 214. Right now? Okay. Then the last one is, how many months are equal to 45 days? 1.5 month, 1 1/4 month, or 1/4 month? You will answer me this in comment section. I hope you have enjoyed this and you got correct answers. Thank you. Have a great day.